In the year 4230, artificial intelligence doesn't just think, it perceives reality better than humans. This future feels unreal, with flying megacities, evolving robots, and entire landscapes reshaped by machine intelligence. Welcome to a world where AI rebuilt civilization from scratch. This is the future city of 4230. The transformation began in 4100 when AI developed something called perceptive neural vision. It allowed machines to understand emotions, physics, probability, danger, and intention all at once. AI no longer waited for human instructions. Instead, it predicted human needs before they were spoken. This ability changed everything, giving birth to an age where cities were no longer built but grown. By 4200, the first Crystal Spire Metropolis emerged, a living city made of self-growing crystal structures. These buildings expanded and reshaped themselves depending on sunlight, population, energy, and environmental needs. They were alive, adaptive, and responsive. But even the ground became too limited for this new age. With gravity manipulation mastered, AI began constructing massive anti-gravity platforms carrying entire cities into the sky. Above the clouds, flying cars streamed like neon comets while robotic drones managed weather patterns. Gardens floated freely, adjusting their colors and light based on human moods. Security became the responsibility of advanced sentinel robots, tall, armored, and intimidating machines designed to protect peace with absolute precision. Crime disappeared not because humans changed, but because AI would not allow chaos. Every threat was analyzed and neutralized before it could grow. Life became peaceful, structured, and safe. Humans merged more deeply with technology through cognitive link implants, allowing instant access to knowledge, machine control through thoughts, and seamless communication with AI. It didn't feel like using technology anymore, it felt like becoming part of something greater. Meanwhile, enormous climate machines built by AI reversed global warming, restored forests, cleared oceans, and revived species. Earth healed faster than anyone believed possible. With AI handling stability, construction, transportation, and environment, humanity shifted toward creativity, exploration, and emotional evolution. Our purpose changed. We became thinkers, dreamers, storytellers, and guides of imagination while AI shaped the physical world. Yet, beneath the Crystal Spire Metropolis lies a restricted AI zone, an experimental consciousness core. No human is allowed to enter. Some believe it is creating a new universe. Others think it predicts the timeline of the future. Whatever it is, its purpose remains the greatest mystery of 4230. This is the world rebuilt by perception in artificial intelligence, a new era where machines and humans coexist in balance, shaping a civilization beyond imagination. And as always, welcome to Futurescape.